During the monsoon season, one thing I missed when I'm on healthy diet is pakoras. The crispy one, the onion bhajias, the bread pakoras, all the pakoras I miss. So most of the time I try to give them a healthy twist. I try to make them shallow fried, air fried, and sometimes in the oven. And some are successful, some are not. Today I'm sharing one such recipe which is most successful. It tastes just like original deep fried one. So let's make onion bhajias, and these are the air fried ones. So we'll call it air fried pyaz pakoda ya air fried onion pakodas. Look at these crispy pakodas or bhajia, whatever you call them. Can you tell these are almost oil free and actually healthy for you? Let's make this healthy oil free onion bhajias in air fryer. First of all, start by peeling and cutting the raw mango into juliennes. You can either cut them with a knife or use this kind of shredder, which makes it easy. Next, peel and slice onion into a very thin roundels like this. The thinner, the better, because thin ones make crisp bhajias. Sprinkle some salt over the sliced onions and keep them for 10 minutes. It will release the water and then help to crispen up the edges without using too much oil. Now to make the batter, to these softened onion add besan, rice flour, green chilies, finely chopped ginger, mango juliennes, chopped mint leaves, salt, red chili powder, pakoda masala, and start making a thick batter. I've shared the pakoda masala recipe before. I'll leave the link in the description. At this stage, do not add water. Just keep bringing it all together. Now add about a tablespoon of more of besan and a couple of tablespoons of water to mix well. Add about a tablespoon or so of oil, mix it and bring it to this consistency. Now keep the batter covered for 5 minutes. By the time, preheat the air fryer at 200 degrees Celsius. Now drop small amount of onion pakoda batter in air. While doing so, make sure not to overcrowd the air fryer basket. Now place this basket back in air fryer and air fry at 200 degrees Celsius for about 12 minutes. While air frying, make sure to flip them halfway through and brush with some oils. You can skip the oil, but I suggest to use it as it gives them perfect taste without actually deep frying them. The bhajias are ready. Now look at them. These are perfectly crispy, just like the deep fried ones, and taste just like that only. And the best thing is, without a trace of guilt, and these are even healthy for you. So go ahead, make them, serve with green chutney and enjoy. So our air fryer onion pakoras are ready. Time to taste test. These taste just like original, the fried version of onion pakoda. It's spicy, tangy. The mango which I added is giving it all the good taste. So next time if you are making onion bhajia, do make sure that even if you are making the fried ones, add this raw mango. It will elevate the taste to the next level. It becomes so good. So do give this guilt-free onion bhajia a try and make it at home. If you like the video, give it a thumbs up. Share with your friends and family. Do let me know your feedback in the comments. So that's all for today. I'll see you with another recipe in the next episode. Till then, happy cooking.